There are many ways in which you can lose fat, but what is the best way? Before we chat about the methods in which you can lose fat, we must first understand what the principle is, which equals calories in versus calories out, or as you've often heard online, a calorie deficit. The method in which you choose is entirely up to you. A few to mention are low carb or keto diet, low fat diet, or intermittent fasting. Funny enough, what all these have in common is that they put you into a calorie deficit. So how are you supposed to know which one of them is the best? Well, none of them really, but the one that you can stick to over a prolonged period of time is probably a good shout to go for. Because if you choose to go with intermittent fasting and end up failing in 4 weeks time because it's too restrictive and you can't stick to it, then it probably isn't going to be the best method for you. So remember, the principle of fat loss is equal to a calorie deficit, and the method you choose to do that is entirely up to you. But the one you see the most progress come from is probably the one that you last more than 4 weeks doing. For more simple and realistic fat loss tips, drop me a follow.